All right, so I just lined my spring form with my oatmeal cream pies. Now I'm gonna bring in a few more to put a bottom crust right into our spring form. This is gonna be the easiest no-bake dessert you've ever made. It's not only easy, but it is delicious. So make sure you get the bottom filled up as much as possible. You're really gonna wanna squish in our cream pies. They're very flexible. We're gonna go ahead and break this one up into pieces so that we can just add our little pieces in the empty spots of our spring form. Oh my goodness, this is coming together so perfectly. All right, so we have a full crust of our oatmeal cream pies. I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm going to bring in a bowl and a whisk. And inside that bowl, I'm gonna add 2 packages of my no-bake Jell-O classic cheesecake. Woo. And we're gonna dump both packages right into our bowl, and we are gonna make these to the box instructions. So all you need to add to this is some milk, and I have here some whole milk, and we need 3 cups of whole milk for this recipe. And you can use whatever milk preference you like. I'm just using whole milk because it goes really well with our cheesecake. And that's all you need to add into this no-bake cheesecake. You could also make a homemade cheesecake, but in that case, you would have to turn on the oven. Perfect. All right, and now we are gonna whisk this up super quick. This stuff starts setting very fast, so as soon as it's fully blended and all the dry ingredients are mixed with the wet ingredients, we are gonna pour this into our springform pan with those oatmeal cream pies. Yep, we are making an oatmeal cream pie cheesecake.
Yum.
Oh my goodness. Wow. This is one of my favorites. Everyone loves this. I'm personally making it for 4th of July because it's just so easy and it's such a crowd pleaser. If you're having like a barbecue and you don't want to turn on the oven, this is for you. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, that looks perfect, nice and smooth.
Okay, we're gonna bring back our spring form, and then we're gonna pour this right in there. So I'm gonna set this in the fridge for about 2 hours until that cheesecake is firm. All right, while our cheesecake is in the fridge, I'm gonna grab 1 stick of butter and put it in my pot at medium-high heat. We have 3/4 cup of brown sugar right in there, and then 1/4 white sugar right in my pot on medium-high heat. We're gonna give this a mix until the butter is melted and this starts to boil. All right, so this has been boiling for 2 minutes. Now I'm coming in with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and we can just use our spoon and get all of that out. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be the most delicious topping for our cheesecake. And we're gonna give this a good mix, get it well blended together. Oh yeah. Delicious. Now, while we're mixing this, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla extract to this. Right in there, perfect. Just a teaspoon, I just eyeballed it. And now we're gonna mix this until we have the most beautiful caramel that you've ever seen. All right, this is ready for our cheesecake. All right, so our cheesecake has set. Look how fluffy and delicious that looks. But of course, we just made that gorgeous caramel. So we're gonna bring in our caramel, and we are just gonna go ahead and just stir it up before we start to drizzle a little bit of it right on top of our cheesecake. Okay, that looks beautiful. Smooth it out from edge to edge. Best we can, doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a nice little gorgeous homemade caramel topping. Perfect. Now to finish it off, I'm gonna add some pecan pieces, nice little sprinkle. These flavors just go so beautifully together. The oatmeal cream pies, the cheesecake, the caramel, and the pecan. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. All right, now to cool down that caramel, we're gonna pop this back in the fridge for just 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes, and this thing is ready to enjoy. A moment of truth. Look at that. Oh my, it looks so creamy, so delicious. All my favorite desserts combined in one dessert. Oh, I can't wait. I'm just so excited. It is time to cut a slice. And the best thing is you just cut right in between the cream pies. Make sure to cut the crust. Oh yeah, baby. That looks so delicious. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. See that crust, the cheesecake, the caramel, the pecans, the milk cream pies. Ooh, this is naughty. All right. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to make a second one of these for 4th of July because I'm gonna eat this whole thing.